Hi there, this is Ruth from skirtedblues.com, and today I'm going to give you some tips on keeping up with laundry. We are a household of 11 and we have lots of laundry. I do probably 4 loads of laundry a day at least. And so I really don't mind doing laundry. I kind of like it. I don't know. The sound of the washing machine going in the background makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so my number one tip for keeping up with laundry. Are you ready? Get rid of your laundry baskets. All of them. I mean it. So then what that does is that it forces you to deal with laundry right away. There is no opportunity to have it sitting around in baskets, whether it's dirty or clean, needing to be folded or whatever. So I have to admit, I do own one laundry basket. I'm going to show it to you right now. This is my kitchen. My washer and dryer are in the kitchen right here. We live in a pretty small house, but actually I don't mind having my washer and dryer in the kitchen so much because it's right here where I'm working all the time, and so I know right away when it's done and I can deal with it. So my one laundry basket though is right here. As you can see, it's full right now. So this is all of our dirty laundry for a family of 11 right now. That's everything. Not too bad, I don't think. And I'm working on it today. So anyway, that's all of our dirty clothes. What we do is when you get changed in the bathroom, you just pick up your clothes and bring them right down to the laundry basket. And so what do I do after that? I'm going to show you. You see, we do have stuff sitting around on here. This is never bare, unfortunately. This is about as clean as it ever gets. But what I do is, as soon as the dryer is done, I fold clothes as they come out of the dryer. I fold them and put them in stacks by person. Usually I put the girls' clothes over here, starting with the youngest over here in piles, the baby clothes here. All the girls have their own stack. And then usually the dryer is boy clothes. And mom and dad's clothes go in the back. Or these over here are things that I need to deal with putting away. Too small things, out of season things, whatever. Also, back here on the dryer are other miscellaneous things that have to go upstairs when we put our laundry away. And sometimes if I pick up something off the counter or the kitchen floor, I will just go ahead and put it in the person's laundry pile. As you can see, I picked up a dinosaur, which belongs to Jed, and so I just put him on top of Jed's laundry. And Jed knows when he puts his laundry away that he has to take the dinosaur with him. So yeah, I fold the clothes as they come out of the dryer all the time. Put them in their respective spots. Usually the kids know right where their laundry is. And if they're going upstairs for something, they'll grab it and put it away themselves. I don't put away any of the kids' clothes. I do put away the little girl's clothes. Ellie could probably put hers away. She is 5, but they're kind of up high. We don't have a lot of clothes storage either, so we tend to keep our wardrobes to a minimum. So I put away the clothes for everyone from ages 5 and under. And so that's how I manage to keep up laundry. Yes, so since I fold it directly out of the dryer, I can't put anything else in the washing machine until I folded those clothes in the dryer. So it's a little bit hard to get used to at first. You think, oh, I really want this to be washed. But I've got clothes in the dryer that need to be folded, and you just have to use the self-discipline to never take them out and throw them on the couch or anything like that. And it becomes second nature. I never even think about it anymore. So that's my tip for keeping up with laundry for any size family. And just make sure that you and the kids have the self-discipline when you get changed to pick up your clothes, bring them down, and put them wherever you put your laundry. So I hope this is helpful to you. It's been a lifesaver for me. So I hope it's just as helpful for you. Thanks for watching.